Where's Marion? Why have to do the work? Why's Marion not cooking? Party time again. Today I make a simple pork meatball. Everyone loves meatball. And this one is very easy. First we can make special paste. I add a little bit of garlic. Pound and take the skin out. Now my secret is white peppercorn. I love the flavor. You can have, cannot get white peppercorn, black peppercorn, okay too. Now a coriander root. This root have a lot of flavor. You cut, just take the root only. Save the leaf for later. Never waste anything. So you cut a little bit, half, like this, and you add into the garlic and peppercorn. Now pound it up. Good for your muscle. This way I don't have to go to the gym. Pound like a paste. Now just need to be rough paste. Put in the pork. This is gonna add too much, a lot of flavors. Now a little bit fish sauce. Now mixing up. And 1 egg. I like to crack mine in a bowl first. You never know you're gonna get a bad egg, like my son-in-law. Now you beat a little bit, the egg, and you put in the pork. Now you put your finger in the water first, stop sticking, and now you use the pork. Mix together so they come together. Now I'm gonna show you a secret. This is gonna make a good texture. You just bang into the bowl like that. You can see they come together. You know I have all the secrets. You listen to me. See how easy. Now let's cooking. Little bit oil in the pan. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna make a nice little bowl. Look at the crisp little bowl. Now the oil is hot, put straight to the pan. Now I can make it quick going. You can put on a tray if you want. Smells so good already. Marion loves this meatball when you do a little. I put in a lunch box. She eats all the time. You can make the chicken or beef too. Turn it over nice color. Oh, look at that. Okay, this will look great. That's great on the paper towel. Now you can cook more. Just keep your friend happy. Party food only 15 minutes. That's good. A little bit coriander on top if you like coriander. Now everyone can choose dipping. Sweet chili, coconut sweet chili, and coconut sriracha. Look at the beautiful color. Marion do a good job with this. She's very smart. I'm very proud of her. But I taught her everything, you know. She get it from Noi. That's good. Another winner from Noi and Marion. Enjoy!